502?
I'm gonna say this is a 565.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a big motor.
No, big motor, 600 plus.
You want to put that in the wagon?
We are going to take this, put it to the transmission, and we're going to see if it'll go in there, and if we have to change anything on the mounts and stuff like that.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to mock it up and put it in the car. We're going to put an oil pan on the bottom of that I have over there, and we're going to see if that fits in that notch that they made out of that cross member, because I don't know if it will. I mean, we may have to get a special pan for that thing.
Do we need a cherry picker?
What do we need a cherry picker for? We got a high-low, man. Right there. That's our transmission.
Okay. This is how you get an Audi belly button.
That's a big man. Yeah, if you don't do that, you just go, my balls hurt. Grab a side. Slip it on. Ready? Oh! Look at that.
Ooh, that looks janky. Don't ever do this at home.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, I think we're ready for the high-low. Hey.
Ah, fuck.
Easy, man. You don't have to wiggle that shit around. We got a high-low. Just saying.
I know.
That's fucking too loud a block. You know that.
It ain't gonna go in there.
How are we? Are we too wide?
Gotta move over my way a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey. We got a high-low, man.
Yeah, drop it just a tick. Okay, good.
There she goes.
Close. Oh, now the other side drops in. You're right there. Ha 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 ha. It's so nice.
What do we need to do on that side?
Make a new motor mount.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at it. Unless you got a mount stretcher.
Oh, it just needs to come down. The mount on the body.
The frame mount.
It looks kinked. One way.
Well, we don't know what happened when it hit the garage. Yeah, I think you're right. I think that thing is bent.
Yeah, it looks like it's cocked.
It's cockeyed. Well, let's see here. How would we go about bending that?
Maybe lift it up. Leave the one side hooked to the body. Put the chain on it and lift it up and see if we can.
Hang on.
Yeah, you straighten it out. Okay, wait.
Hang on. Got a beating on it. I got something for it.
What? I'm putting the bolt in. I'm putting the bolt into it.
See if you can get this in there and wedge it.
Hey, can I pull on the bolt in now?
Oh.
Is it okay if I do that?
Shut up.
Can I?
I'm going to
Is it alright?
somebody.
Cause that's what I was pounding on. That's what I was. That's.
Hey, you know what? I don't want to hear it. Yeah, that would suck balls to have to change. With the transmission that we're using, it has one of the SFI approved bell housings, but it's the aluminum one, and it is pretty thick. You can see with it in the car that you really have no room to take any of those bolts out once it's in place. So we may actually have to open up the transmission hole on the firewall to make sure that we can get this all in there and lined up.
Oh shit, are we bending this linkage up right here?
That's why it's sitting sideways. It's just a little twisted. Ain't a big deal.
Damn it. You
Just
can't
take
get
that out.
You can't get those in.
Hold on. Oh, there's one.
Oh, I don't think that thing's coming down.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Well, being that it's a Pontiac, it's probably got one that's 10 times better.
That thing is.
Because they were way better than Chevy's.
Motor mounts don't need to be changed, right?
Well, here's the thing. We should tighten that motor mount up where it's at now.
Right.
All right? So we got that, and it's in place, and it's done. This motor mount over here is tight.
Okay.
So go ahead and tighten that one, and then tighten the motor mounts on the block first, so if it changes, it moves to wherever it needs to be. And what we're doing over here is we're just adjusting these motor mounts so that we can level out the engine compared to the car. Had to get the car level first, and now we can make sure that the engine's level in there. This is going to make sure that the oil inside of the engine is in the right place rather than going to one side or the other of the pan, which might allow the pump to actually run dry for a minute if it's leaned too far.
Do you want me to hand it to you from back here?
Yeah, that's fine. We've decided on using a big block for the build. Before we could really go ahead and do anything else, we needed to know if the channel that was actually made in the bottom of the subframe down there was actually going to work with the oil pans that we had for the big block. Now, there was only one way to find that out, and that was to actually put a transmission behind one of the bare big block blocks so that we could fit it in the car. Now, we haven't concluded that the engine mounts or the transmission mount are going to be sturdy enough to actually hold in a very high horsepower motor. So we may end up having to make some motor mounts and some motor plates for this vehicle. Metric. Let's use metric on standard bolts. Millennials.
Metric, the way of the future.
What? Couldn't hear
Here you go.
These kids nowadays.
Fucking kids, little assholes.
Millennials.
That's what happens when you fart. You work alone.
We'll get some 2x4s for you.
I was gonna get 2x4s.
Hey, I know I was waiting for you.
That's a 4x4.
Oh?
Yeah?
You ever seen Tommy?
You ever see WWF?
Tommy.
You ever seen wrestling?
Not here. Here.
Thanks for helping, Rob.
You're welcome.
Just sitting there with your damn camera. You're so cool. Anybody else need a cigarette after getting that in there? That's a good feeling. You put a motor in that car. Even that car's thankful for having a motor in it right now.
What was it again?
Turbo Immaculator.
What is?
This. All the way. All the way. Yeah. Yeah. Is it?
Oh, you're feeling it, aren't you?
Is it enough?
You feeling it?
You're gonna need washers.
Huh? Yeah.
This feels good though.
I'm leaving. You fucking guys.